If you're looking for food, the only recipe you'll find here is one for heartbreak. It's the age old story: a boy meets a chicken breast. They fall in love, listen to the sweet sounds of romance.
Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John.
They get groovy and even spend time watching the classics. They brought a child into this world and raised it like one of their own because it was their own child. And then one day,
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
making the food in the nude. No, please don't be naked. That's weird and illegal. Making the food. Grab some lube. No, why would you need fucking lube? Sorry guys, just enjoy this. Yeah, episode 4. Let's go, son. 4. Guys, we're doing chicken parmesan, and for the ladies and the vegetarians, huh? Little eggplant. Because penis emoji. Yeah. Okay, guys. We're going to run through these really quickly, all right? You're going to make tomato sauce first. I'm going to show you how really quickly. You have some tomato passata, or these are just tomatoes that I've milled with a food mill because I'm a chef. Some garlic and chili flakes. Is that where the camera is? There you go. And, of course, some basilico. And then you'll need a lot of cheese. I like a lot of different types of cheese. You've got provolone, mozzarella, and parmesan. And then later on, I might even add some fresh mozzarella. And then finally, some chicken titties. Nice. Yeah. Okay. The last bit of the ingredients, guys, this is essentially the most important part. This is your breading station. So you're going to need eggs, huh? Couple of chicken babies, then some flour. This is just all-purpose flour, and so here's sort of the most important part. Okay, you can bread it in a bunch of things. Okay, I have panko breadcrumbs that I've sort of blitzed down a little bit, and I've got 50% panko breadcrumbs and 50% coarse semolina. Basically, what the difference is that the panko is a little bigger, and the semolina will sort of fill the gaps that the panko can't get to, so you'll get all-around crispiness. Yeah, son. Look at this sexy shot. It's fucking sexy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're gonna butterfly the chicken now, which is basically gonna open it up and give you more surface area to get crispy stuff. Okay, you're gonna be handling a sharp knife, so please put something down. This is like a damp kitchen towel, and it basically holds your chopping board in place. You can use just regular kitchen tissue. All right, make sure your knife is really sharp, okay? And basically what you want to do is you want to come in through here, which is the thickest part of the chicken, and you want to open it up like a book. Okay, so right there. Okay, and don't go all the way. Okay, because you'll essentially peel it back a little. There you go. Okay, so it opens up like a little chicken book. All right. Should I shoot? Are you shooting all this?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. I was just that
Looks okay.
water.
What is that?
That's the fucking gross bit.
Why is it gross? It looks exactly like the other eggplants on the inside. If you look at it. I think it's fine, dude.
Okay. And
So wait, just compare it to the other one.
it's fine. Dude. Pro tip: lay the eggplants out in a sieve over a bowl and salt them pretty liberally and leave it to stand for about 5 minutes. It basically gets rid of this bitter aftertaste. Oh my god, guys, we've made sauce so much, but let's do this again. Olive oil in, garlic in, chili flakes in, Hotel Trivago. Okay. Add your tomatoes and cook it for no more than 10 minutes. Add your basil and let it sleep. Sauce done. Okay guys, here's the setup we're working with from left to right. Eggplant, seasoned flour, beaten eggs, and then your panko and semolina mixture. Make sure when you're doing this that you always keep one hand dry and one hand wet. Boys, you know which one is which, huh? Get it? Wet hand. Huh?
You dirty devil, huh? This is my boy. This is my boy. This is my boy.
Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, here's a closer look at it. Just please make sure that whenever you do this, you cover every piece of the chicken or the eggplant, whatever it is that you're using. Guys, when frying, look, keep the oil well below half as well. I don't have a deep fry at home, so you can do it in a shallow pan like this. You can do it in a high-walled cast iron as well if you have it. That'd probably be more ideal. It's best if you have a if you have a thermometer, and then it'll help you sort of gauge. You're looking for about 350 to 400, okay, Fahrenheit, and in Celsius that's about 176. Once that's ready to go, look, grab your eggplant and lay it away from you. All right, guys. One other way you can check it, guys. Look, grab a little piece of breading and into the. There you go. All right. Now look, please do not lay it towards you. Get as close as possible, and lay it away. Alright, don't try to do too many at one time. With the chicken, I would just do one at a time because of how big it is. Now, here's some sexy frying sounds for you. We're in the end game now, guys. Drop about 3 tablespoons of your sauce at the bottom, and then you decide what comes first, the chicken or the egg plant. Get it? Sorry. Okay, look, add a little sauce on top and then cover that shit in cheese. I mean, a lot of it. You can add whatever kind of cheese you want. Uh, Please do not drench it in sauce, all right? That will make it soggy. Just a little bit more on top is fine. Into an oven with the broiler on. There's no set time per se. Just keep an eye on it because it can go really quickly. And voila, guys. This was so good. You can actually slice this up and drop it into a 2 pieces of bread, and it makes a great sandwich. But however you want to eat it, this was really impressive. But you know what? Don't just take my word for it. Here's actual footage of how excited Varun was to eat this.
I love it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below what you'd like to see so I can ignore you because you're not the boss of me.